how to manage your Spotify notifications. This tutorial will show you how to customize your notification settings in just a few steps. First, open the Spotify app and tap on your profile picture in the top corner of the screen. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Here, you'll find different notification categories, including music and artist recommendations, audiobooks, live streams, virtual events, and more. To change a specific notification type, simply tap on the category you want to manage. For example, if you open audiobooks, you'll see options for both push notifications and email notifications. You can turn either option on or off by tapping the toggle switch, depending on how you want to receive updates from Spotify. Repeat the same steps for any other notification category you'd like to customize. That's all it takes to manage Spotify notifications and control the updates you receive. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.